Piet and Stephen Piet have been denied bail by the Groblersdal Magistrate Court on Monday. The two are accused of assaulting and setting a dog on their farm security guard. Newzroom Afrika's Nqobile Madlala has a story.
The Magistrate Courts of Groblersdal and Limpopo has found it not in the interest of justice to give Piet Groenewald and Stephen Piet bail.
This court come to a conclusion that it will not be in the interest of justice that the two applicants be released on bail. Therefore, the application that they be released on bail is dismissed.
The magistrate argued that based on the evidence given by the investigating officer, there is a likelihood of the applicants interfering with the state witnesses as alleged.
At about 2 a.m., he was made to board the VIP security vehicle, or a vehicle with VIP security stickers, where there were two guys wearing security uniform, and ultimately driven to Groblersdal, where he was made to alight at Puma garage and told to go to the police station to make a statement that he was never kidnapped, and accordingly he did as such. And he also indicated that the two witnesses, that the complainant and the other witness, are working for the applicants. And even where they are staying, the place has been arranged.
The magistrate added that applicant number 2 is most likely to commit another Schedule 2 offence given his history.
He had a previous conviction of murder, which happened in 2020, that was 1990, but he was convicted around 2022 or 2000, was convicted around 2002 or 2003. Sentenced to 10 years to 20 years, and another one for attempted murder, and thereafter released on parole under supervision until 2022. After, and this court checks it, the parole is part of the sentence. When one is outside, one is still serving sentence. And that, from 2022 up to now, it's hardly 2 years. And he has now committed another violent offense.
The Groenewald family in court shared a rather emotional moment as they were forced once again to part ways as the two accused remain in custody. In contrast to the jubilation expressed by crowds outside the court that felt bail denied, is the justice needed right now?
We are very much relieved that the perpetrators have been denied bail. However, we could not say this is the end of the road. We will be very glad if at the end a conviction is secured.
We are quite much relieved, but of course our confidence in our justice system has been reconfirmed.
We condemn any means of apartheid. We do not tolerate, hence this kind of incident. We were the first party to expose this kind of apartheid, that in Groblersdal we are suppressed.
Presiding Officer Mashele highlighted that he didn't understand how such a serious case was allocated to junior officials and hoped the parties involved will be held into account. The father and the son will be expected back in the Groblersdal Magistrate Court on the 11th of March. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Madlala in Limpopo.